All right, so we're here with the new prototypes of the new 2024 Keystone line, and we're going to get a sneak peek of a lot of the new rigs that are coming out in the market this year. So let's get started. Thank you for joining us in this sneak peek of the 2024 Keystone Montana High Country 295 RL. For more information and RV specs, visit www.keystonerv.com and stay tuned for more Keystone 2024 sneak peeks in the coming days. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit that notification bell to let you know when we post every Sunday at 2, and thumbs up for good measure. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the road.